The dignitaries on the dais, elders, packaging technologists and friends, and the press, a very good morning to everybody. It's indeed a great honor for me to be in front of you, a very good gathering, and I congratulate the entire team of the alumni organizers behind this concept and the idea and the great efforts kept by them. This is one of the wonderful beginning. I appreciated it when they came to me and told, and I wish a grand success that it should play a platform, bringing a unique institute, the only one institute in South India giving 3 years diploma in packaging. And I wish all the people, all the senior students who are now good employees, they have to pay and they have to elevate this institute. They have to, an institute is like a mother. It takes care of you when you are young, when you are small. When you are grown, you have to take care of her. So I convey taking this podium to all the seniors who are well settled in the industry to look into the organization, your institution, and do whatever help you want for the youngsters who are coming. Encourage them, tell them what are the opportunities, and make this alumni a grand success. And I think in another 2 years you will be celebrating your bicentennial of the college. I think that I expect it will be a great function with the help of all the students, faculty and administration of the college. So I just want to share some of the things. The word called packaging itself is fascinating. And packaging starts from each one of us. For example, if the X-rays of all the people who is sitting here have been displayed, can anybody identify? Or if some parts of our body has been displayed, can anybody identify us? But nature has packaged each and every individual in the whole world to identify. So we are identified because we are packaged like this. I am identified like this. Somebody is identified like this, you are identified like this. So packaging starts from ourselves. This is the concept. And every day what we see, every product today is packaged well. And unless you are packaged well, an individual cannot. Today the world is so competitive that you have to promote yourself. So each individual has been packaged well to promote, like that each product is also well packaged to promote. If you see, the packaging is as old as human civilization. So when early man, after all his natural instincts, natural requisites has been fulfilled, he has started thinking of other. So that time he wanted to package, he has an excess food or something. So from that day, the packaging has started. That time it was a necessity, but today it is an attitude. Today packaging is affordable and it is an attitude. Unless if the package shows its attitude, people doesn't buy. So that is the importance of the packaging today. And who designs in few minutes, what is the life cycle process of a packaging? Because there are a lot of youngsters, of course there are a lot of seniors who already knows about packaging and its importance, but I want to address the juniors and upcoming packaging technologists about what is the life cycle of the packaging. Because you have to understand when you understand the life cycle of the packaging, you will appreciate it, and at various stages how a packaging technology and the packaging technologist can contribute for that will be known. So let's go to the origin of the packaging. For example, today as a buyer you have seen a package, so it has the origin that the raw materials, basis materials were manufactured by a manufacturer. Like for example, if you are seeing a plastic bottle, the manufacturing started with the granules, HDPE granules or polypropylene granules from So there is a challenge from them. The packaging starts from that journey. Okay, then the granules have come, the granules and other ingredients have come to one manufacturer, the injection or injection blow molded person. Now he is turning this into a bottle. So he has to put his technology of the needs, what is the shape, size, different characteristics, how to control the quality. A huge work is involved when it has been came to a converter. So second is the converter. Now he has converted, he has the bottles or something is ready. His product is ready in front of him. Now it has to go to the user. How? So there is a transporter. So a transporting is there. So he has to see the transporter. Why I am telling this is that how the journey goes and what are the requirements of the package in this journey one has to understand. So when the product at the converter is ready, he has to dispense to the user. So there is a transport. What kind of transport that is required for them? How the goods will go safely to the user. All these parameters have to be understood by them. Now it is going to the user industry like us. So we have the requirements, different requirements, warehousing the materials, analyzing the materials, and they go to the packing lines. And what is the packing? Today packaging is a high-tech automation. So whether this packaging material suits to the automation, how the user and the manufacturer has to interact with each other, and how the dialogue between the user and the manufacturer will bring the best product. The user industry has to use it, then it is again going to a transporter, to a stockist. Now the stockist requirements nobody is looking after. So everybody, user industry or the manufacturing industry is looking after only the consumer, ultimate consumer. But is easily identifiable on the tertiary pack. These are all the requirements of the wholesalers. That has to be built in by the manufacturer of the product and sends. Then it is going to a distributor, next level. Now he distributes, he dismantles the biggest packs and the smaller packs have to be distributed to retail chain. And today the logistics and retail chain itself is a great science, the technology. Again, I want to stress upon here that the packaging technology has to go beyond and understand what are the supply chain and logistics requirements. So in the journey, if you go one by one, I will just touching very basic, but when you deep into go, there is a lot of requirements which are to be designed at each level, and then it has to, the journey the journey of the package has to continue. Now if you see the retailer is looking to the retail place is very competitive and costly. So once you go to the retailer, he wants small pack and excellent display. You should know its uniqueness. The brand has to be identified. The company has to be identified. So many requirements of the retailer are there. So you have to understand the retailers. Then comes the user or consumer. Again, you have to understand. Coming to the consumer, the package is like it's part of his culture. This influences about the geographical conditions, the economical conditions, the country economy, and the taste and their culture. So when you are sending a package, when you are designing a package, these aspects have to be very clearly understood. To which country, to which location, what is the product, who is the maximum user of this product, all these things have to be thought. So what I see, why I am sharing this is that I see a compartmental approach to the packaging technology at each level. But once it has been engrossed into the life cycle, then the best thing comes out. Because this is essential. Today everything is paid, everything is costly, and we are paying. And for paying, we have to work hard and earn. So when the consumer is purchasing, he has to have the delight. Only when the delight, your product is moving. And in this, the role of the packaging technologist is very high. So with this brief introduction, I just want to thank you once again. And at least sir, in our organization, I want to share with the faculty and other students. We take a judicial combination in organizing a department. So for diploma, 3-year diploma packaging students, if there is a ratio, at least judicially, personally what I do is that if I have a 4 employees from Indian Institute of Packaging, I want at least 12 to 16 people from the diploma. This is the ratio we are maintaining. Everybody knows here, Srinivas and all knows here, and how we encourage these students. So to the institution as well as the youngsters, we are with you, sir. Thank you very much again for this opportunity, wonderful opportunity. And I once again congratulate this team for this effort. Organizing such a alumni is not simple, but my best wishes to continue this. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Hope that ratio will be continuing for a long time, so that so many of our juniors will get a job opportunity to work under you, and that would be a great pleasure for them, so that they can learn so many things. Thank you, sir. And I would like to call upon Ganesh sir to talk about few things.